Look, Daddy, I finished the puzzle.
Wow, that's great. Did you see that, Doctor?
Yes, very impressive. Keep up the good work.
Wow, did you see that tusk? And look at the little hedgehog! The quokka is so cute!
Hard right rudder now. Brace for impact. We need to stabilize the ship. Full ahead maneuvering. Minimize the roll.
See this area on the monitor. The resorption is quite advanced.
Yes, I see it. We should schedule the consult immediately.